Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make banana oat cookies. Banana oat cookies. Bananas being mashed in a bowl. Mixing bananas and oats in a bowl. Scooping the mixture onto a baking tray. Baking in the oven. Backed cookies look like this when you take out from oven, crisp and nice. First up, we've got these 2-ingredient banana oat cookies. Yes, you heard that right, just 2 ingredients. All you need are ripe bananas and rolled oats. That's it. Mash up 2 ripe bananas, add 1 cup of rolled oats, and mix until it's all combined. If you're feeling fancy, you can throw in some cinnamon or chocolate chips, but honestly, these are perfect as is. Scoop the mixture onto a baking tray, flatten them into little cookies, and pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 15 minutes. Look at these, they're soft, chewy, and naturally sweet. Perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. And the best part? No added sugar,